The internship has been about 2.5 months, about 10 weeks, I guess, and I've learned a lot. I put into practice a lot of SQL stuff that I learned in class. So stuff that I hadn't done before. I was doing a lot of, let's say, database cleanup for the upgrade. They're upgrading from Oracle 11 to Oracle 12. So they're just trying to streamline the data and make sure everything's been entered correctly. So I had to do a couple of queries and learn how to do all that stuff. And then figure out going forward how the mistakes I found can be rectified.
My time here at Merit has given me a greater perspective that makes me want to learn more because I know it's used in the real world. And I'm excited to go back to school because of that, because I'm going to look at things with a different perspective. And it makes me more motivated to do well in school so I can do what I want out in the field. I actually changed one of my classes to take biomaterial engineering after doing this internship because of all the experience I've had. I really wanted to see that from an academic standpoint and kind of get behind the why we do the things the way we do.
I really think we're an agile company. We're saving people's lives, and a big thing for me is why I actually chose medical devices is because personally my little brother went into kidney failure 2 years ago, and so seeing him having to go through his recovery and with dialysis and stuff, I saw, how a catheter worked and how it basically saved his life, and I know that's exactly what we do here. And so tying that hand in hand, you just see how these people actually do genuinely care about other people and saving lives.
I feel like the internship here at Merit has given me the confidence to go forward knowing that I can do this. I do have something to contribute, and I want to add to that through my education.
The opportunity is there. If you want to take it, it's really up to you. And I really like that Merit offers its employees that there's definitely a lot of room to grow. There's definitely a lot of opportunity for lateral movement, and also there's a lot of upward mobility at Merit. There's a lot of chances to leave your mark at Merit, or make your mark, if you will.
Merit has a really great intern program here. They're allowing me to go to school full-time and also work around my school schedule. During the summer I'm working full-time, and during the school year they're actually allowing me to work part-time, and their hours are very, very flexible. And it's also made it very easy for me to actually pursue my degree rather than worry about how I'm going to pay for it. This program is amazing. I seriously appreciate this opportunity. It's been incredible. My name is Alexis Corsi.
Sam Doku.
I'm Shelby Barrett, and I learned to understand,
innovate,
and deliver at Merit.